Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am so excited, like super excited. I was supposed to start, I know a lot of you guys, I did say on Facebook and Twitter and IG that I was gonna start back in October originally, but life happened and it was just like too many things going on at one time for me to even start. Like, I had all my equipment and everything, but that's why I tried to keep up with my looks. So I would always put my looks on Instagram and Facebook and, you know, Snapchat and basically all my social media platforms. I tried to keep up with things, but it was a lot. It was just a lot going on with, you know, it was family things, and then on top of that, then I moved. So now I'm like in my place. I'm just settling in, still trying to get used to it. But now that I'm here, it's like, okay, I said I was gonna put a video out. I said I was gonna start a channel. I had already had my channel, I just didn't have anything on there. I know my boobs are like in everyone's face. I'm so sorry guys, but I'm here and I'm happy and I'm excited and I'm nervous. Like, all the emotions you can think of I have right now as far as excitement goes. But it's awkward. It's real awkward because I'm looking at the camera, but then I'm looking at myself, so it's just weird. But just to give y'all a gist before we even go into this tutorial, the way I do my makeup is, I don't consider it like conventional at all. I have my own way of doing makeup, and so does everyone else. So as you're watching the video, I'm pretty sure people are gonna judge, they're gonna critique, they're gonna have a lot of criticism. I'm pretty sure there are gonna be people that don't even care and just want to see how I do my makeup, because this is how I do my makeup. I'm not a neat makeup artist. Technically, I'm not a makeup artist. I just like makeup. It's just a hobby for me, and I feel like it actually helps with my anxiety a little bit. So, because it keeps me just focused on one thing, so I'm not like, my mind isn't everywhere. My mind is just here on my face. So I want to get this video going for you guys. I don't want to talk too much. So this is the look that I had for today. Again, when you watch the video, I'm pretty sure when you watch it, a lot of you guys are going to be like, oh my gosh, what is she doing? Like, I wouldn't do it like that. Do it like this or do it like that. Listen, if you guys have any like constructive criticism, please, absolutely drop it in the comments below. Let me know. I'm open to suggestions. I'm open to criticism, because I always feel like I have room to grow. I don't think I'm there where I want to be, but at the same time, I try not to compare myself to other people. Everyone has their own lane, their own avenue, and how they want to do things, and I respect that, and I just ask for respect in return, because the makeup community lately is messy, very messy. So that's why I don't really involve myself in a lot of makeup groups anymore, because it's like it goes from giving criticism to just straight judging a person into just straight disrespect, and yeah, so no. But this is the look that I'm going to show you guys. I hope you like it. I never know the looks that I'm going to do. I literally just sit at my vanity, look at my face in the mirror, and just think of something. Or I'll go on Pinterest. A lot of times, I kid you not, I'll just scroll down my IG, or I'll scroll down my Facebook, or I'll hop in a makeup group just to see what other people have done. If I do copy someone's, you know, makeup look, I do, when I post it, I do tag them in it, because I don't want people to feel as though I'm trying to like take their look and make it as my own. I like to give credit when credit is due. So absolutely, like, especially if anyone wants to send me looks that they have done and want me to try it, I will try it. But if it doesn't come out the way that I'm trying for it to come out, yeah, it's not happening. But let's get to the video and I'll see you at the end. if you're here, you've made it to the end of my video, and I appreciate it. I appreciate everyone and anyone that took the time to watch the video, because I value time. Time should not be wasted on no one. So I appreciate everyone that stuck out to the end. I also appreciate the people that have followed my makeup journey so far and have seen where I came from and where I'm at now. And I feel like I've gotten a lot better, but I still feel like I can do better. Please thumbs up my video, subscribe, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, guys. And again, any suggestions, any constructive criticism, or if you don't feel comfortable leaving it in the comments, just, you know, send me a personal message. You guys can follow me on Snap, you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and I'm gonna put all of that in the description box below, so you guys can definitely find me and add me, and I will add back, and you show me love and I'll definitely show you love back. And if you don't have anything nice to say, then don't say it at all.